SGH's Applied Science and Research Center is where we combine our engineering knowledge and expertise with our experience and expertise in testing and materials to help solve our clients' problems or investigate new technologies or new approaches so that we can help them deliver their visions to become a reliable reality.
So one of my favorite questions working here is an email or a phone call that starts with "can we?" and that makes me smile because I immediately think yes. I don't even know what the question is, but I know the people we have, the facilities, the 600 coworkers that we have throughout the firm, we can solve any problem. We have approximately 13,500 square feet of laboratory facilities, including strong floor testing, mechanical testing, microstructural and fractographic analysis, chemical and thermal measurements, environmental exposure, and microscopy.
The center has been integral to our business. It's part of our ethos, it's part of how we approach problems, it's part of our curiosity. It lets us undertake problems, things where the numbers have to come together with the material practice and they have to come together with understanding of field performance and have to understand how it integrates with durability.
I think one thing that's really great is we can recreate a problem where other firms may not be able to do that. Someone goes in the field and they can't really figure out what's going on. We can rebuild that problem in our lab space and actually look at it and dissect it and figure out what the problem is.
What makes the center unique, it's the diversity of experience and knowledge of their staff. All the way from the director to the newest staff member, you have a group of scientists and engineers. They're able to provide in-house expertise to help the rest of the staff at SGH solve problems for our clients.
Their unique perspective is really helpful to the structural and civil engineers that make up most of the firm. We give it a little bit of a different look at a problem and ask different questions that really make us collaborative and comprehensive in our analysis.
When there's a question, for example, when a chemist looks at something, it's not just, hey, I found X. The engineer or the architect can go down and then talk to the chemist and say, geez, what does that mean? Why is that surprising? How can that be contributing to the problem? And it's that interaction of the ideas within our staff that makes it so fundamental. That's why we brought these technologies and capabilities in-house. It really helps us to better integrate solutions and understand what's really happening.
What I love the most about this specific experience was the back and forth, the brainstorming, that interaction with the staff from the center in terms of identifying the most efficient testing protocol to get to the answers that we're looking for.
A lot of times the Applied Science and Research Center is really the other half of the story in my work. We do our field work, we take samples, we gather observations and data, but that doesn't tell the whole story. The other half of the story really comes out in the Applied Science and Research Center, where we can look at what's hidden in the chemistry, what's hidden in the microscope, and put that together to tell the full story, to answer the questions that our clients have.